Wakunuradu, and welcome to this political update. We do this every once in a while to catch up on loose ends that have been floating around news-wise. One of those is that the community meetings, it was announced a few weeks ago, are going bi-monthly. Now, as you recall, 10 years ago, the meetings went from monthly meetings to seasonal, which meant every 4 months. And there was a movement to go back to monthly. That was tried out, didn't really work out. And now Chief and Council have decided to give it a shot where it will be every 2 months. That starts on November 12th. Tuesday, November 12th is the first meeting, and they'll try that out for a 6-month period and do a reevaluation after that. Well, lots happening on the legislative front, and we start with membership consultations, which are back on track. After being off for the summer, there were at least a dozen meetings on the amendments, the draft amendments to the membership law. And Chief Gus Nahua Sky Deer says that there will be a little bit different take on how the meetings are, how these amendments are going to be presented coming up on that date.
Well, we felt in light of the fact that we've had 13 meetings to date on membership, because it is, lengthy discussion going on with each of the issues that have been brought up by the membership department. So I guess in order to foster discussion, we're going to try a new approach where we actually propose to the community members options or certain things for them to consider, rather than it being like an open slate discussion. When we go in on the 22nd, we'll perhaps propose definitions for great-grandparent and give them the choice whether they like those definitions. They could put them together, break them apart, or deny them altogether. But it's just to help to foster that discussion in light of making it move quicker. Community members have complained in the past that it is a slow process. So we're hoping that maybe this new approach could expedite the process and hope that we could get through all of the amendments at a quicker pace.
Once again, that meeting will be at 6 o'clock, as all meetings are for the CDMP. They have been, at least for the last year or so. 6 p.m. at Garuhia Nuha, and they go until 8:30, and please be there on time. Otherwise, there's more news on the S2 law. That's the piece of legislation that Canada passed and will be bringing into force sometime next year. The meeting that was held recently gave a mandate to move forward using the urgent process to create our own law in Kahnawake to counter S2, which is the matrimonial real interest law. And that meeting is going to be held on November 5th, again a Tuesday. And at that point, the draft law that is being worked on internally here at MCK will be presented and discussed at that time, and we'll keep you informed as we get along closer to that. Also, draft amendments to the election law, which recently underwent a 30-day period for people to give feedback. Now the next meeting is coming up. The first draft will be officially presented and discussed at the community decision-making process meeting, which will be held on November 26th, once again on Tuesday. And finally, 1812, The Abandoned Alliance, which is a documentary film produced by MCK Communications and directed by Brent Horn, who was the winner of the Jesse Deer Memorial Media Scholarship recently, will be premiered on the exact 200th anniversary of the Battle of Chateauguay, which Kahnawake had a huge participatory role in. And that movie will be presented as a premiere at the Legion Hall. And I just have to show you this wonderful poster that you'll be seeing around town. So when you see this, that's what it is about. 7 p.m. at the Kahnawake Legion Hall. It's free admission. There will be soda and water available. And also there will be a discussion afterward with the director about the film, and also possibly a discussion on the War of 1812 and Kahnawake's role, which many people aren't really aware we had such an important role to play in the history of this country. That's our political update this time around. I'm Joe Delarone. Nyaukoa.